Hey yo, so today I don't have an overly produced video prepared or anything of the sort. I'm just coming to you all real, raw. You see over here? Literally just kind of wake up and chilling, but just coming to you all real and raw because at the end of the day, this is what it's about, you know? Yes, I could do the highly produced videos and all of that, but just coming to you all real and raw today to give some advice, you know, as it pertains to travel and just how to actually make travel a reality. You know, I think a lot of people get it twisted. A lot of people are always thinking about, well, how do I actually get into travel? You know, I just need money. It's just money I need. And really and truly, it's not just money you need, huh? It's not just money you need. I think travel and getting into travel really and truly starts from a mental place. Like, you honestly need to believe wholeheartedly that travel is possible for you. And in order for you to be able to actually do that, you need to deconstruct all of the limiting beliefs in your mind. All of those different thoughts in your head telling you, I can't do this. This is not a possibility for me. I'm not good enough. I will never be ready enough. You know, money is an issue for me. Money is a problem. Money is something that it's hard to make, it's hard to find, it's hard to come by. You see, all of those limiting beliefs, that is what is holding you back from travel. If I were to sit down in this life and study all of the different things and all of the different cards that I thought were stacked against me and all of the odds that were stacked against me, I wouldn't go anywhere. I've been real with all you. I wouldn't go anywhere. I wouldn't travel anywhere. I wouldn't see anything. I wouldn't venture out into the world. I wouldn't be who I am. I wouldn't be that certified globe trotter. It is important that you understand and that you know travel is a possibility. Travel isn't just some pipe dream. You don't need to have a whole lot of money to travel as well. It all depends on the type of travel you're into. But the first thing you need to do is fix your mind. You know, the Bible has this saying, and I'm not a religious person, I'm more of a spiritual person, but I love this saying from the Bible where, moral of the story, and I'll paraphrase here, is by the renewing of your mind. The mind is such a powerful thing. Like, I think we underestimate how much our mind influences how we live life, what we do in life, and a whole host of other things. Like, we take for granted the power of the mind. If you could fix your mind to a particular reality, you will achieve that reality. You will have that reality. You will be able to walk and talk and move and grow and just exist in that reality. It's when you tell yourself that you can't do something and something is far-fetched and something is out of your range or out of your zone of control is where you lose in life. Anything is possible in this life, and don't let anybody tell you anything different. Anything is possible in this life, and travel is one of those things that is possible. I always tell people, I believe us as human beings, travel is our birthright. And let me repeat that again. I believe us as human beings, travel is our birthright. It is your birthright to go out there in the world and travel, to see what the world has to offer, to experience different cultures, different societies, make different connections, meet different peoples, and have a truly international, global perspective and experience. That is your birthright. So long as you're a human being on this earth, I humbly believe that is your birthright. And regardless of whatever obstacles or hurdles you have to jump over to make that a reality, do so. Don't let the money hold you back. Don't let the fact that you may have to apply for a visa hold you back. And I know, yes, these things are easier said than done because obviously, yes, you need the money to travel. Obviously, yes, you do need visas to go to particular places. But the fact of the matter is, don't let those things hold you back from your dream of traveling. Another point I want to focus on as well is Don't wait for people. And I mentioned this in my video last week as well. But don't wait for other people. If it is you're waiting for people to do something, to go out there, to see the world, you'll be waiting forever. You will be waiting forever. Go by yourself. Go by yourself, travel by yourself, do what you need to do, because you'll be waiting for family and friends. Now, I love a trip with a family member. I love trips with my friends. It's always good vibes. But sometimes people aren't available. Sometimes people have other priorities to focus on and they just can't go. So what are you going to do? Not go? Not go and see that particular country, city, state that you want to see? No. Again, these are all the things that you have to be thinking about. These are all the things that you have to be deconstructing when it comes to travel. Travel is a reality. Travel is possible, you know. Some of y'all, and hate to break it to you, and it's a saying that we have in Trinidad and Tobago. I'm trying to remember exactly what I'm going to say, but it's basically, the fact of the matter is you have champagne taste, but what's the word? It's champagne taste, but soft drink budget. More or less to say is, I can't even remember the exact say there, but more or less what I'm trying to say is, sometimes you're hanging your hat higher than your hand could reach. Let me repeat that. Sometimes you're hanging your hat higher than your hand could reach. Meaning, you have these large expectations, but the budget, you don't have the budget just yet to match. And I think that's where a lot of people get lost where travel is concerned. You have to have the money. You have to have the budget. And if you have a budget to afford a particular vacation right now, afford that one. Don't frustrate yourself because you can't afford the luxurious vacation that you're dreaming of. That vacation coming. That vacation is coming, but right now, afford the one that you can afford. Go on the one that you can go on. Don't lose sleep over the one that right now you really don't have the funds for. And it goes back to my initial point. Travel is possible, but is your mind. You have to work on your mind. You have to work on your energy, your aura, and walk in a spirit of abundance. Walk in a spirit of, you know what, regardless of what I'm going through in this life, I'm going to make it. Making it is not an option, it's not a choice. I have to make it, full stop. Full stop. There's no ifs, ands, buts, no maybes about it. That is the kind of energy you have to have. That is the kind of mindset you have to have out here to really make it. You have to wholeheartedly believe that I am going to make it no matter what. And pump that into your travel. Pump that into your travel dreams and your travel aspirations and your travel goals. That is the only way you are going to make travel a reality. One thing, before I even started to actually travel frequently, one thing that works so well for me and helped my manifestation process is starting to plan trips even when I didn't have money to plan. I was planning trips even when I didn't have the money to plan. I used to be here on YouTube watching numerous travel videos. I always tell people I've traveled to multiple countries virtually. I have legitimately traveled to multiple countries virtually. And all of the countries that I'm visiting now are countries that I have been to virtually. I've watched countless videos, countless travel guides, countless destination reviews on YouTube. I've watched so many of these different videos, and it helped to motivate me and inspire me and to show me that, hey, this thing possible. I could actually travel. Another thing I would do too is I would go on Airbnb, Booking.com and these sites, and I would make wish lists. I would make accommodation wish lists and say, all right, if I go to Medellin, I'm going to stay here. If I go to Mexico City, I'm going to stay here. When I go to, not if, and let me correct that. When I go to Mexico City, I'm going to stay here because you know what? I went to Mexico City. When I go to Panama, I'm going to stay here because you know what? I went to Panama City. When I go to New York City, I'm going to do X. And you know what? I went to New York City. All of these different places that I've been to, that I've traveled to, if you've been following me on Instagram and TikTok and all these different places, are places that I dreamt of, places that I was planning for years in advance. Years in advance, I've been planning these trips and planning these things, and now they are reality. And once that travel bug hit, it never let up. It never let up yet. So I just giving you this motivation, this inspiration to know that it is possible. Never count yourself out. Never count yourself down and out at all. Travel is possible. Don't let anybody make you feel like travel is this super elite thing that only the rich and powerful could afford to do. That is a blatant lie. Anybody can travel. Anybody can travel. And don't underestimate the power of domestic tourism either. Some of us, we haven't even explored the lengths and breadths of our own country just yet. We haven't. There's so much that we still need to see and do in our own countries. So saying all this to say, even sometimes if you can't afford that trip abroad just yet, do the trip locally. Do the trip in your country. I'm telling you, hands down, there are multiple things that you could see and do in your country. Do that trip. Go on that trip. It is possible. It is not impossible. Stop telling yourself that is impossible. Stop telling yourself that is something out of your reach. Stop telling yourself that is a pipe dream. Because the more you tell yourself something is the more it comes into reality, yeah? The more you tell yourself something is the more it comes into your reality. If you keep telling yourself that you won't be able to do a particular thing, chances I'm telling you won't be able to do it, because that's the programming you keep telling yourself. That's what you keep telling yourself. No, I'm not good enough. No, I can't do this. No, stop it. Stop it. Stop it. And this goes not just even for travel, but everything in your life, but especially travel, because this is a travel focus page. Travel is a possibility, and the first step is fixing your mind. Fix your mind. Fix your mind. Fix your mind. Your mind is what is holding you back. Believe true deeply within yourself that you can travel, that you can see the world. And don't just believe, because faith without works is dead. Faith without works is dead. That's another saying from the Bible I love. Faith without works is dead. Put action. Start planning. Take pen to paper. Start writing down. When I go to Barcelona, I'm going to do this. When I go to Thailand, I'm going to do this. When I go to Vietnam, I'm going to do this. And start putting things in motion. It's no longer a pipe dream. It's a reality. It is a reality. And we're making it a reality. Don't let your mind hold you back from traveling. Don't let your mind hold you back from traveling. If you ask me, what's holding back a lot of you from traveling is your mind. The moment you liberate yourself mentally, you will see how limitless your life could be. Liberate yourself mentally and you will see how emancipated you will feel traveling the world. But first and foremost, renew your mind and tell yourself that it is possible. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. It's quite different from the other videos that I'm going to post here, but I feel like I want to do this more often and really give travel motivation and inspiration and really push you all to travel. So if you like this message, I'm a new YouTuber here on YouTube, so I would appreciate if you subscribe. Feel free to like the video, comment, if you heard something in this video that resonated with you, comment and let me know. If you also have something to add to the discussion, also comment and let me know. The engagement means a lot. So like, subscribe, and you'll share the video, share it with somebody who needs to hear this message, because travel is for all of us. I wholeheartedly believe that. You all have a beautiful rest of your day, and whatever time you're watching it, renew your mind. Travel is a possibility for you. Have a good one, everybody.